Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best electric bike review. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. D-Power Folding Electric Bike. This electric bike frame made of carbon alloy, high hardness, good toughness and durability. The seat cushion is made of high-density sponge material, soft and elastic, reducing the sense of pressure and relieving riding pressure. This D-Power foldable electric bike is equipped with a large 48-volt 10 Ah battery, which can ride 20 to 35 miles per charge. 400-watt powerful motor. Unlocked top speed can reach up to 20 miles per hour. In order to provide enough power for your daily commute, this compact e-bike is easy to carry and takes up little space, so you can ride freely even on crowded roads. This commuter electric bike is equipped with 4 shock-absorbing zones: center shock, hydraulic shock absorber, double spring shock, post spring shock absorber, which makes it smooth and comfortable even if you are riding on rough roads. No more worrying about the disturbances caused by long hours of riding. This electric bike provides 3 speeds to choose from. Adjust the speed gear on the left handlebar to switch easily. LED bright headlight, taillight and turn signals. Perfect lighting system for your ride. Wide field of vision, even at night. No need to worry with USB cell phone holder. It brings more convenience for your journey. This electric bike thickened rubber, anti-skid, wear resistant, high drainage performance, low noise while riding, strong grip. Improves the safety and comfort of riding, good traction and support, suitable for a variety of terrains. Number 4. Cybervelo EK4 Electric Bike. The Cybervelo foldable electric bike ensures that you can take it anywhere. There are 3 class modes, 5 available levels of pedal assist and a professional 7-speed transmission system. The smart LCD display with charging port continuously shows real-time speed, mileage and battery power, ensuring you to control your e-bike riding status. This electric bike provides 1000-watt high-speed brushless motor and 7-speed transmission, making steep hills and long rides a breeze, up to 25 plus mph, up to 80 plus miles. Adult electric bikes offer powerful strength, faster starts and enhanced climbing capabilities, making you not only suitable for daily commuting but also for going to the beach, climbing and traveling with friends. The commuter electric mountain bike is equipped with 48-volt 20.8 Ah battery, which increases the mileage by 60%. When charging this e-bike, it can effortlessly provide 80 miles of range for your most adventurous riding excursions. This electric bike, perfect for daily commuting, has a detachable design that enables the battery to be easily removed from the e-bike and charged indoors. The 20-inch fat tires are anti-slip and puncture-proof, ensuring you can ride on roads, snow, beaches and rugged mountain roads. This electric bike adopts front and rear double-disc brakes and ABS power-off brake for sensitive braking, which can make sure strong off-road performance, reliable braking force and high safety factor. The high-strength shock-absorbing front fork and seat post absorb the bumps of long, rough roads. Number 3. Aliexpress T1-1 Folding Electric Bike. This Aliexpress electric bike is designed for urban commuters and travelers. Its quick folding frame makes it easy to store in your car trunk, carry on public transportation, or tuck away in small spaces, perfect for daily commuting and city rides. This electric bike is equipped with a high-torque 560-watt motor, delivering rapid acceleration and a top speed of 24 miles per hour. Whether you're commuting in the city or enjoying a leisurely ride, this e-bike ensures a smooth and efficient journey. This electric bike featuring a long-lasting 48-volt 10 Ah removable lithium battery, rating time 20 to 25 miles. This electric bicycle offers extended ride time and convenient charging. Easily detach the battery for indoor charging and enjoy worry-free travel with reliable power. This electric bike customize your ride with pedal assist, allowing you to switch between full electric, assisted pedaling and manual cycling. The dual disc brakes provide responsive stopping power for enhanced safety in various riding conditions. The 14-inch wheels offer stability and smooth handling, while the sturdy frame ensures durability. Whether you're navigating city streets or paved paths, this folding electric bike provides a comfortable and reliable riding experience. Number 2. GS5 Folding Electric Bike. This GS5 folding electric bike built with metal frame. This compact electric bike is easy to maneuver and fun to ride. An electric bike you can fold. This electric bike provides powerful 750-watt rear brushless motor provides a top speed of 25 miles per hour, easily conquering 20 degrees hillsides. A rechargeable 48-volt 15 ampere-hours Leon provides a range up to 35 miles when riders use pedal assist. This e-bike is all set to make your daily commute faster and more cost-effective. This electric bike has 3 riding modes to choose from: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, and regular bicycle mode. You can choose your travel mode according to your own situation or preferences. This electric bike provides high-performance adjustable front suspension forks adapt to various terrains, absorbing shock and reducing vibrations for a smooth ride, front and rear dual mechanical disc brakes, sensitive to capture your braking action, achieve a safe, comfortable, healthy and energy-efficient travel experience. It also high-performance adjustable front suspension forks adapt to various terrains, absorbing shock and reducing vibrations for a smooth ride, front and rear dual mechanical disc brakes, sensitive to capture your braking action, achieve a safe, comfortable, healthy and energy-efficient travel experience. The adjustable seat and handlebar height and 14-inch pneumatic tires ensure a comfortable riding experience. The LCD display shows battery level, speed mode and mileage clearly in sunlight. Bright LED front and rear lights can help you light the way ahead in the dark. Number 1. Koala F9 Folding Electric Bike. This Koala folding electric bike weighs only 46 pounds and has the simple 3-step folding system. The size after folding is 27-inch by 17-inch by 26-inch. It can easily fit in your trunk or take it into public transport, such as subways and buses. It is an excellent choice for camping and travel, enhancing portability and convenience on the go. This electric bike adopts a 500-watt strong motor, can reach a top speed of 25 miles per hour with pedal assist, equipped with 14-foot anti-slip fat tires. This city commuter can easily handle all terrains such as beach, snow, sand, mountain and gravel roads. It can provide excellent grip and stability to ensure a smooth ride. The electric bicycle is equipped with a 48-volt 15 ampere-hours battery, which covers a range of up to 25 to 40 miles per charge, so that it can meet travel or daily commute needs. Removable battery makes charging more convenient whether you are at home or in the office. This electric bike for adults equipped with a LCD display, which enables you to track your riding data effortlessly such as current speed, single ride mileage, total ride mileage, etc. It has 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist and ordinary bicycle. You can choose your travel mode according to your own situation or preferences. This electric bike adjustable handlebars and seats height ensures a perfect fit for riders of all sizes, providing a comfortable and ergonomic riding experience. This electric bike dual disc brakes provide all-weather stopping power. Front and rear LED lights enhance visibility, promoting safer rides day or night.